Hello everyone, this is Sonam from Knowledge Hub. Today I am going to discuss some important current affairs MCQs for June 2021, which is dated from 1st June to 15th June, which are very important for different competitive examination like banking, railway, SSC, OSSC, OPSC, UPSC, etc. Let's switch over to our first question. Our first question is: the Reserve Bank has cut GDP growth forecast for financial year 2021-22 to how much? Option A is 9.5%, option B is 10%, option C is 8.7%, option D is 7.5%. Our correct answer is option A, which is 9.5%. Your explanation is the Reserve Bank of India (RBI) on 4 June 2021 cut its real GDP growth forecast for the current financial year 2021-22 to 9.5%. The RBI governor noted that the economy is likely to grow at the rate of 18.5% in the first quarter, 7.9% in the second quarter, 7.2% in the third quarter, and 6.6% in the fourth quarter. Question number 2 is: who has taken charge as new chairman of the National Human Rights Commission? Option A is Arun Kumar Mishra, option B is A.K. Sikri, option C is M.B. Lokur, option D is Indu Malhotra. Our correct answer is option A, which is Arun Kumar Mishra. Retired Justice Arun Kumar Mishra took charge as the new chairman of the National Human Rights Commission (NHRC) in New Delhi on 2nd June 2021. Justice Arun Mishra has retired as Supreme Court Judge in September 2020. Question number 3. Who has become the world's fastest woman to scale the Mount Everest? Option A is Tan Chang Yeon-hung, option B is Bena Thang, option C is Hunjo Jangum Lama, option D is Tenzin Chuni. Our correct answer is option A, which is Tan Chang Yeon-hung. Tan Chang Yeon-hung has created a new world record by climbing the world's highest peak Mount Everest in just 25 hours and 50 minutes, becoming the fastest woman to scale the peak. Fourth question is: which state government has announced a COVID-free village contest with an award of Rs 50 lakh for the winner? Option A is Karnataka, option B is Uttar Pradesh, option C is Rajasthan, option D is Maharashtra. Our correct answer is option D, which is Maharashtra. The Maharashtra government on 2nd June 2021 announced a COVID-free village contest with an award of Rs 50 lakh for the village which will break the first position. The contest has been introduced to encourage the villagers to follow the COVID-19 protocol to limit the spread of the deadly virus. Question number 5. WHO has given what names to COVID-19 variants first found in India? Option A is Kappa and Delta, option B is Alpha and Beta, option C is Beta and Gamma, option G is Zeta and Theta. Our correct answer is option A, which is Kappa and Delta. The B.1.617.1 and B.1.617.2 COVID-19 variants that were first identified in India have been named as Kappa and Delta, respectively, by the World Health Organization. The naming has been done to simplify the public discussion about the variant. Question number 6. The world's first human case of H10N3 bird flu has been reported in which nation? Option A is China, option B is Singapore, option C is Japan, and option D is Malaysia. Our correct answer is option A, which is China. China has reported the world's first known human case of the H10N3 strain of bird flu. A 41-year-old man in China's eastern Jiangsu province has been confirmed to have been infected with the bird flu strain. As per the statement, the China's National Health Commission on 1st June 2021. Our correct answer is China. Okay. Question number 7. Which Olympic bound Indian wrestler has failed his dope test? Option A is Sandeep Singh Man. Option C is Satyavart Kadian. Option C is Sumit Malik. Option D is Anshu Malik. Our correct answer is C, which is Sumit Malik. Indian wrestler Sumit Malik has failed his dope test with just 49 days to go for the Tokyo Olympics, which are scheduled to be held in Japan. Sumit Malik's his sample was collected in Bulgaria after the Olympic qualifier and it come back positive for a banned substances. The wrestler has been provisionally suspended. Answer is Sumit Malik. Okay. Question number 8. Which nation's largest naval ship, the Khark, sank after catching fire on 2nd June 2021? Option A is France, option B is Italy, option C is Iran, and option D is Iraq. Our correct answer is option C, Iran. Iran's largest navy ship, known as the Khark, sank after catching fire in Gulf of Oman early on 2nd June 2021. According to Iranian media, the fire broke out at around 2:25 am during a training mission when the ship was near the port of Jask, which is a major shipping lane. No casualties were reported as the entire crew of the ship was able to escape the wreck in time. Question number 9. Isaac Herzog has been become the 11th president of which nation? Option A is Israel, option B is America, option C is Italy, option D is Spain. Our correct answer is option A, which is Israel. Explanation states that Labour veteran Isaac Herzog has been elected as 11th president of Israel in a secret ballot in the parliament, which is known as Knesset. The former Labour leader was elected by the parliament in a vote as the opposition lawmaker were holding the negotiation to form a coalition to end Prime Minister Netanyahu's 12 straight years in office. Question number 10. Which nation has allowed couple to have 3 children ending its 2-child policy? Option A is Japan, option B is India, option C is China, option D is Pakistan. Our correct answer is option C, which is China. China has decided to allow each couple to have up to 3 children, ending its strict 2-child policy. This comes after China's population data over the past decade showed the slowest population growth in decades. Question number 11. Which bank has pledged to become carbon neutral by 2031-32? Option A is SBI, option B is HDFC, option C is Axis, option D is ICICI. Correct answer is option B, which is HDFC. HDFC Bank on June 3, 2021 announced its plans to become carbon neutral by 2031-32. The private bank is looking at reducing its emission, energy and water consumption. Question number 12. African Union has suspended the membership of which nation after 2 military coups in 9 months? Option A is Eritrea, option B is Ethiopia, option C is South Sudan, option D is Mali. Our correct answer is option D, Mali. The African Union on 2nd June 2021 suspended the membership of Republic of Mali on the ground of the second military coup detention of a president and prime minister in 9 months. Military coup leader Colonel Goita had last week ordered the arrest of the country's interim president and prime minister when causing global outrage. Question number 13. ICC Men's ODI World Cup 2027 will have how many teams? Option A is 10, option B is 12, option C is 14, option D is 16. Correct answer is option C, which is 14. The International Cricket Council ICC board confirmed on 1st June 2021 that the Men's ODI World Cup in 2027 and 2031 will be a 14 team event. The 14 team event. Okay. Question number 14. Who among the following has withdrawn herself from the French Open? Option A is Saina Nehwal, option B is PV Sindhu, option C is Naomi Osaka, option D is Ashal Bharti. Correct answer is option C, Naomi Osaka. World number two, Naomi Osaka has decided to withdraw herself from French Open tournament following media boycott fallout. The Japanese tennis player made the announcement on May 31, 2021. This comes amidst the ongoing controversy regarding her decision of boycotting press conference at the ongoing French Open. Question number 15. Who is winner of the Pen Printer Prize 2021? Option A is Walid Abulkar. Option B is Iran Khalib by Jagran TV. Option B is Befakadu Hailu. Option D is Tisti T. Dangarembanga. Option D is Tisti Dangarembanga. The correct answer is option D. Thisti Dambaranga, the Booker shortlisted writer from Zimbabwe, has won the Pen Print Prize 2021. Question number 16. Who among the following billionaires is planning to travel to space in July 2021? Option A, Mark Zuckerberg. Option B, Elon Musk. Option C, Jeff Bezos. Option D, Bill Gates. Our correct answer is option C, which is Jeff Bezos. Jeff Bezos, founder and CEO of Amazon, announced on June 7, 2021 that he will travel to space on July 20, 2021. He will fly to space along with his brother Mark on the first crewed flight capsule New Speed built by his company Blue Origin. Question number 7. When was World Environmental Day is observed? Option A is June 3rd, option B is June 4th, option C is June 5th, option D is June 6th. The correct answer is June 5th. World Environmental Day is observed every year on June 5th. Question number 8. When is World Day Against Child Labour? Option A is June 12th, option B is June 13th, option C is June 14th, option D is June 15th. Correct answer is June 12th. World Day Against Child Labour is observed every year on 12 June 2021. One in almost 10 children across the world is in child labour. Though the number of children in child labour has declined by 94 million since 2000, the rate of reduction has slowed by 2/3 in recent years. Question number 19. According to World Bank's report on past COVID-19 recovery, India's GDP is expected to grow how much in the current financial year? Option A is 7.7%, option B is 6.5%, option C is 8.3%, and option D is 9.0%. Correct answer is option C, which is 8.3%. The World Bank has forecasted India's GDP growth for financial year 2021-22 to be 8.3%, supported by plans for higher spending on health, rural development, infrastructure, and a stronger than expected recovery in service. Question number 20. Which city was declared as most livable city in the world in the 2021 EU Global Livability Ranking? Now the correct answer is option A, which is Auckland. Auckland was declared as most livable city in the world on 2021 edition of the Economic Intelligence Unit of Annual Global Livable Ranking. Question number 21. Which state or union territory has launched UNTAB scheme for students? Option A Jammu Kashmir, option B Ladakh, option C Sikkim, option D Uttarakhand. Correct answer is option B, which is Ladakh. The Lieutenant Governor of Ladakh, R.K. Mathur, on 4 June 2021 launched the UNTAB scheme for the students. Under this scheme, 12,300 tablets with preloaded online-offline content will be distributed to the students of the government school from class 6th to 12th. Question number 22. Abdullah Saeed has been elected as President of the 76th Union Nation General Assembly session. He is Foreign Minister of which nation? Option A is Sri Lanka, option B is Mauritius, option C is Maldives, option D is South Africa. Our correct answer is option C, Maldives. The Foreign Minister of Maldives, Abdullah Saeed, on June 7, 2021 was elected as President of 76th session of the United Nations General Assembly UNGA. He granted 143 votes out of 121 ballots cast. Question number 23. Which nation is building its first fully settled naval warship? Option A is France, option B is Russia, option C is Iran, option D is Israel. The correct answer is option B, Russia. Russia is building. Which nation is building its first fully settled naval warship? Option A is France, option B is Russia. Russia is building its first settled naval warship that will fully equipped with settled technology, making it hard to detect it by enemy vessels. This was reported by the Russian media on June 8, 2021. Question number 24. Which nation has become the first country to make Bitcoin legal tender? Your option B is El Salvador. El Salvador on June 9, 2021 became the first country in the world to grant legal tender status of Bitcoin. Legal tender. Question number 20. From the second highest activities international. Question number 21. Who has become the second highest active international goal scorer? Our correct answer is option A, Sunil Chhetri. Indian football captain Sunil Chhetri has overtaken Argentinian star Lionel Messi to become the second highest active international goal scorer on June 7, 2021. Chhetri has now scored 74 goals, 2 more than Messi, and is now only behind Portugal star Cristiano Ronaldo, who had scored 103 goals. UAE's Ali Mabkaut is third on the list with 73 goals, while Messi is fourth with 72 goals. Thanks. Thanks a lot.